Hey everybody, so I have a 2016 Chevy Malibu and I needed to locate and service the map sensor. And so here I took off the engine cover, the air cleaner assembly, and I removed the throttle body as well. So by the way, to the right, that's the engine cover. You have to take the oil cap off first, and then to the left is the air cleaner assembly that attaches to the air filter and everything. And right there, you can see that the actual throttle body has been removed because I cleaned that as well. But if you look closely behind the throttle body at the top of the screen, that's where the map sensor is located, and it's held on by a small Torx bit. It was difficult finding it because there are not a lot of videos about it as the exact location on this 2016 Malibu, but that's where it is. And if you have a bad map sensor, some of the symptoms will be it won't run right and the car may stall on you. It may not run well, and plus it was throwing a code. So I decided to check that out. You can either clean them or replace them. So this is going to help you either way. So the small Torx bit, I'm going to remove that. I removed the Torx bit first, and it's like a T20 Torx bit. I removed that first so that I could lift up the harness and see how to undo the connection, because I didn't want to break that plastic because you can barely see down there. So I took that off first, and this is how the map sensor looks for the 2016 Chevy Malibu. Now, I just cleaned this one with electric parts cleaner and let it air dry, sprayed through the hole and the metal connectors right there. And I let it air dry, put everything back together. Make sure when you put this thing back together, you connect everything that you took apart. And you're going to have to watch out for all of the connections. You have to take a picture. Put everything back the right way, and ultimately that end is going to go on top of the throttle body. Make sure everything's clamped down good, and you connect the PCV valves. There are two of them with the air cleaner assembly. Make sure you connect everything properly. Take the oil cap off. Put the engine cover back on. When you take the engine cover off, put the oil cap back on. Thanks for watching. Be blessed.